Hi again and welcome to another training video with Python. This one is a real life situation or an example for to calculate the salary of a salesman. So assume the basic salary of a salesman in a company is 5,000 and that salesman gets a commission based on how much sales he or she makes. In my case I just said if the sales of per month are less than 5,000, he's going to get 5% on that 5,000 plus the original 5,000 there. If the sales is between 5,000 and 10,000, he's going to get 7.5% of the sales on top of the basic salary. And if it's above 10,000, he's going to get 10%. So let's start this off. I am going to say, let's say the sales, clear that out. The sales is say 4,000. So he made sales for a month for 4,000. I need to bring in my if, the if statement. Again, I like to open the bracket just to keep the conditions in a bracket. You don't have to put the bracket, but I put it just out of habit. So if sales is less than or equal 5,000, that's my first condition. If it is below the bracket of 5,000, that means that commission, I'm going to do the commission first. Commission will equal the sales, that's number one, times 0.05, that's 5%. Okay, and my final salary or my monthly salary will be 5,000, which is the basic salary plus commission. Now I made this commission this way because I want to print it out later so you can actually see the numbers. So for that commission, for that sales, I got a commission of whatever that number is plus 5,000. Now if has another sister or brother, before we said else. When I introduce it, it has another one, and that other one is called elif. Now this elif, if I have another condition, which I do in this case, I have this condition if the sales is between 5,000 and 10,000. So I'm going to say elif. We write elif, but we pronounce it else if. Sales is greater than 5,000, and what's something important here? In there I said less than or equal to. In here I say only greater than. I don't say equal to. If I do, then I'm going to have an issue, as the value 5,000 could be there and there, and it shouldn't be. It should only be in one place. Okay. So if sales is greater than 5,000, and I need another condition, sales needs to also be less than or equal 10,000. That's a between. So I'm limiting it, and again. Why I'm doing it this way, just so I remind you of the AND gate from logic. This is that condition. I have two conditions that must be met for this to take place, for whatever calculations I'm going to do next to take place. And this is where we link computer logic or the circuitry to this, because inside the CPU, this is how it's doing it. So my commission here is going to be sales times 0.075, that's 75%. 0.075, that's 7.5%. And my salary is going to be the same, which is, as in the formula, is going to be the same, 5,000 plus com. Now I call it com for commission just for simplicity. Okay, so I covered two. I have one last one, and again, I want to reiterate this. When you hit enter, what's the indentation? It's there. I need this to be there if I'm writing if, elif, else. They need to be on the same level. And my next one and final one is the else. So if the value is anything else other than these, assuming it's going to be above 10,000, I will make the calculation as well by saying com equal sales times this time is going to be 0.1, that's 10%, and my salary, I could just copy this, I'm just going to do this. You can do this while coding. I will do it just to prove a point there. That the salary is always calculated in the same manner. I could do it here, or I can do it outside, wherever, outside as in outside the if. So now I'm going to say print. I'm going to print three things just to see if everything is okay. Sales, commission, and salary. And these better add up together. And in this case, I have 4,000. 200 is 5% of that. If I add them up together, I got 5,200. So let me change this to 7,000. Okay, I click run. The numbers are going to change. 7.5% of 7,000 is 525, and that is my total. Basic salary 5,000 plus 525. If I make this more, let's say 20,000, okay, that is going to be, I'm going to make that 20,000. So I tested it with all three values. 20,000, 10% of 20,000 is 2,000, 2,000 plus 5,000 is 7,000. Hopefully this made sense and got the if statement into you so you can test it out with some other real applications. See you in the next video.